After a tenant gets evicted, landlords are usually eager to get the unit cleaned and find a new renter. But what do you do if your former tenant left behind belongings? Not to worry, we'll explain it all here. Rules for abandoned possessions after evictions. If a tenant left behind personal belongings after an eviction, don't head to the dump just yet, or you may find yourself in another legal mess. It's important to know that every state has different rules regarding what landlords can do with abandoned property after a tenant is evicted. In general, most states require landlords to notify the tenant that they've left belongings and store the possessions in a safe area. The best way to get rid of abandoned possessions. Let's go over what to do in more detail. While rules in each state vary, landlords usually stick to the following steps for abandoned belongings after evictions. Dispose of whatever is deemed to be garbage. Catalog items of value. Issue a notice to the tenant informing them of their abandoned items. Can be mailed or hand-delivered. Keep the items in the property or move them to a secure and dry storage location. Give the tenant an amount of time in accordance with state law to collect their possessions. If the tenant does not collect their possessions, dispose of, give away, or sell the items. It's important to note that some states have laws regarding what you can do with money after you've sold a previous tenant's possessions. In some states, you aren't allowed to keep it. State holding periods. States have different laws and requirements regarding on how long landlords must hold on to a tenant's property. For information about your specific state, head to the link below to access our resource article, where we'll break it down state by state. If your state does not have any abandoned possession stipulations, it's recommended that landlords deliver a notice to the tenant and allow 30 days for collection. We're eForms, the biggest database for online documents. Get started on your estate plan today by accessing our website, where you can find free templates for each of the mentioned forms.